lens opening is small, which makes the aperture higher. Less light coming in, less bokeh to play with. 120 fps would be underexposed cause you cannot use low shutter speed in 120 fps. It is written on the lens optical stabilization, but I haven't seen some. But this thing is zoomable. Wide shots, zoomed in shots, both can be taken. Depends on the circumstance, but is handy. Considering Sony's pricing, it is cheap as well. Build quality excites. In the end, it's yes. I think some clarification is required. Sometimes you want a close-up shot, and on the other hand, sometimes a wide shot. This lens can provide you with both. Yes, the disadvantages are there, but the diversity of shots that you can take is also there. And this was the real basis upon which the yes was based. Now, the results. The video mode you have seen at your screens, and it is quite satisfactory in my opinion. And I leave the onus to you to further decide whether it's worthy or not. And now coming on to the pictures of this kit lens, I would say they are mediocre. Of course, better than a mobile phone takes, but the results could have been better in my opinion. I am signing off and have a look at the results.